Hello, welcome back to my channel. God bless you in the name of Jesus. All right, so today I want to show you a very nice chord progression that goes from flats 5 to 7 to 3 to 6 to 2 to 5, right, and then to 1. So I'm going to also do that in a song so you'll be able to get that. So let's we're going to be in the key of F sharp today. Right, okay, so it goes like this. I'll demonstrate this first, then I will show you. Don't forget to click the subscribe button so we're not wasting time here. All right, so we have okay, the song goes I love this family of God. I think I've done this in some other keys. So closely one knitted into 5, 1, 6, 7, then 3 they have taken, then a part of this red fire Millie. All right. Okay, so we're in the key of F sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the progression goes flat 5, 7, 3, 6, 2, 5, 1. So this is it. This is what you need to understand now. This progression is a substitute of another progression you would have done if not for this. This is what you would have played normally. Most times when you play this progression, you will have done something like you'll have done something like 4, then 5, 4, 3, then 6, then your 2, 5. A part of this great family, 2, 5 always end song. So these progressions, they're in circle of fourths. So 4, 5, 4, 3, then 6, 2, 5, 1. But now instead of that, you do 4. So instead of going to 5, you do 4. You now go to flat 5, 7, 3, then to 6, then to 2, to 5, then to 1. So let me show you the chords now. So from 3, so they are taking. I'm sure you can see the chords. Then you can do that movement from your 6 to your flatter party. They have taken me into the so left hand C diminished chord, right hand E flat minor chord. They have 3, 4. Then to the progression, first chord, then 7 chord. Our 7 chord goes like this. That's F7 sharp 5. All right, sharp 5. Then I'm so glad. You can pick the chords. Left hand, a tritone. Right hand, just A flat, your 2 and your 5. I'm so glad. On 6 we did a first. I can do so right, that's that. So so they have taken me into the answer. I'm so glad to right. How about that 2 chord, left hand, right hand, great far, far. You can see the left hand different from right hand. Me, then to 1. Me. Okay, so it goes they have taken me down to the sun. I'm so glad to a part of the re, fa, mi. Alright, so don't forget to click subscribe button. And some people are of the opinion that they say, oh, this is fast. Yeah, I implore you to join the channel membership, where you can get some of these breakdowns even at a slower pace than this. Yeah, so you get it on the channel membership. So just do that. Responsibility also of subscribe, joining the channel membership, right? So to learn more. God bless you. Bye.